Oh yeah. Yes. Another vlog with me. Another vlog with me. Kudzimadziro on this YouTube channel. As I continue again on my Bulawayo series, as I continue again on my Bulawayo series, my stories when I went to Bulawayo in January to February 2025. This particular year, I was there. I enjoyed my time. It was good. It was great. I bless God Almighty Jehovah for this experience. Let's talk about something. Let's discuss about something that I saw. Right. Remember, I was at the university in South Africa under the Zimbabwe government scholarship program. Then I had a chance, my first chance to meet uh, Ndebele girls or Ndebele women. Ndebele girls, Ndebele women. Forgive my pronunciation because I'm not one. I'm not Ndebele. As long as you get my message. So it was my first chance at the university to meet, to mingle, to talk, discuss, socialize, maybe have some friend relations with these, especially Ndebele people at the university. Now, this year, 2025, I went now to Bulawayo uh, for my work operations, for my business transactions. This January to February 2025, I was there. So it was now my second time to be immersed in the Bulawayo society or Bulawayo community in that yeah, in that Ndebele society, Ndebele community, talk to Ndebele people, mingle, mix, socialize, interact with them. It was my second time now, a practical opportunity, a practical chance to be immersed into that Ndebele life with the very same people, this Ndebele people. So I so in this video, I want to talk about the differences between Ndebele girls and Shona girls, Ndebele women, Shona women, Ndebele ladies, Shona ladies. Yeah, whether a lady, a girl, or a woman in whatever age of their life or phase of their life, a girl, a lady, a woman, whatever phase, whatever age, uh, whatever level. But these females, these are these females. So I saw a lot of differences, and I'm talking from my personal experience, what my eyes told me. And I believe I got good eyes, very sharp, good eyes. What my eyes told me in terms of looking at Ndebele girls, Ndebele women, Ndebele ladies. Then I compare with what I know from a Shona point of view, Shona girls, Shona women, Shona ladies. I saw some differences in terms of character, in terms of personality, in terms of behavior, in terms of attitude, in terms of physical, the physicality, in terms of maybe uh, the talking, the behavior, yeah, the manners, all those things. So I saw a lot of radical differences, great, well pronounced differences between Ndebele females and Shona females. Point number one, and this is my talking from personal experience. This is my comments. Yeah. In terms of physical beauty, physical attractiveness, there's a difference. Yeah, there's a difference, and I must confess. I must say it honestly. That side, yeah, they're so beautiful. That side, they're so nice. They're physically on point. They're physically attractive, physically on point. That side, and when I say that side, I mean Bulawayo. They're physically attractive, physically nice. A sight nice to behold. Even their physical attributes, physical compartments, physical makeup is very good. I was very much impressed. I'm like, what? So before I even went there to Bulawayo, a lot of people told me that, you know what, Kuds, this this brand of people or this category of people or this set of people they're so nice, very beautiful, so attractive, they're physically on point. I'm like, what? They said the eyesight very nice to behold. So when I went there now this year, it was my time now to sit for myself. I'm like, what? And I could agree, like, yeah, it's true. All those people who used to tell me back there, even the ones whom I saw at the university in South Africa, I was like, you okay? It's true, it's true. It's very true. It's very true. That side, yeah, 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 yeah. The physical, the attractiveness, the attraction, the beauty, yeah, 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 yeah. I give it 100%, 100%, 100%. I was very much impressed. I was so happy. I was so excited. I'm like, what? In this country, Zimbabwe? Okay. Wow. Wow. Then I would say point number two. Point number two, I would say in terms of behavior, in terms of character, yeah, there's another difference there when you compare with the Shona, the Shonas, in terms of character, behavior, personality. Mm, these ones are so free with their mouth. They are straightforward. They don't beat around the bush. They go straight to the point. They are straightforward. They'll tell you what they want, what they need, right there. So I can say uh, they got that freedom of speech, that freedom of expression, which is something which you may not find in the Shonas. Like in terms of talking, in terms of expressing themselves, in terms of disclosing their choices, their preferences, it may not be in that tone or in that way when you compare with the Shonas. Shonas, yeah, they're gonna beat around the bush. They're not straightforward. Yeah, they are so maybe respectful, so humble. Yeah, down to earth. Yeah, they're not that straightforward. Many of them not straightforward, humble, respectful. Yeah, it's like they are scared to talk. It's like they fear to talk or fear to stand on their ground. This is what you find in Shona women, Shona ladies, Shona girls. Some of them, of course, not everybody, but some of them, they'll be scared to talk. They'll be scared to express themselves, beat around the bush. They'll go round, 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 round. But that side, what I saw, what I found out, what I discovered, what I realized, no, they will tell you right there, boom, and say, here it is, here it goes, right there in your face, before your very eyes, in your very presence, they will tell you, boom, this is what they do. Straightforward, so free, just carefree. They're so free spirited. Yeah, these guys in that side, this is what I found out. I'm like, what? So it was a difference that shocked me. It was a difference that shocked me in terms of behavior, character, in terms of personality. The Shona and the Ndebeles. Yeah. So if you're a guy and you are targeting a Ndebele girl, Ndebele lady, Ndebele person to marry or to be in a relationship with, if a Shona guy or whatever guy around the world, in whatever country, from whatever tribe, nationality, and want these Ndebeles, you have to know today, from right now, that you have to be prepared for to see someone who is a straight talker, straightforward, not scared. They don't fear. They're not ashamed. They're not embarrassed. They will tell you their choices. They will tell you their preferences. They will tell you uh, everything, their decisions, right there in your face, right there in your presence. They will stand on their ground and say, "This is what I want. This I don't want it. This is what I need. This I don't need it. This is what I wanna do. This I don't wanna do it." Right there in your face, right there before your very own eyes, right there in your very presence. Like what? Which is something which you cannot find in the Shonas. Like I said, Shonas will be scared. They'll beat around the bush, like appear to be humble, appear to or pretend to be respectful, so down to earth. Yeah, they'll find a procedure, like a protocol on how to deliver their statements to you, how to deliver their words to you in that tone, in that environment, in that way. They're not straightforward. Some of them, they're not. So which is another difference that I saw, that I realized. Yeah. So I think for now I can stop here. But these were the two differences that shocked me. Two differences that shocked me, like the way I've explained, in a very simple way, in a very straightforward way. Thank you so much for tuning in, listening. If you are new here, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Kudzimadziro is signing out. See you in the next video. So this one was about the differences Shona and the Ndebele, Shona females and Ndebele females. What I saw, what I experienced, what I encountered in Bulawayo. Thank you so much. Remember to pray. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'm signing out now. Sharp.